Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create an iOS app to compute the area of a square. Okay, and then this is the finished product. Okay, so let me run the app on an iOS iPhone 6 simulator. So there you go. Okay, it prompts you to enter a length. So let me enter a value of 3. Okay, since it's a square, so if I click the compute area button, then the label here should display 9, which is correct. And if I try, let's say 5.2, okay, then let's see, the area is 27.04, okay, which is correct. Okay, and then if you just want to look at the code, okay, feel free to check it out. Okay, feel free to check it out. But then I'm going to start everything from scratch. Okay, so let me stop the simulator. Okay, let me close the project. Okay, let me close the project. Okay, and let me create a new project. Okay, single view will be fine. Click next. Okay, maybe call it the homework. Okay, 02. Okay, exercise 00. Next, and then I put it at the location, okay, of documents, and then subfolder homework 416. If you want to create a new folder, you can do that. Otherwise, you can use the default one. So I will just use the default one and click create. And then I'm going to double click the title bar to increase my working area. I'm going to select the main.storyboard, and then let me move this one to the center. And I'm going to add a label. Okay, quickly add a label to it. Okay, and then maybe put it over here. Okay, and then name it enter a length. Okay, okay, and then another label will be the area. Area. Okay, and then I need a button. Okay, I need a button. I need a text view first, actually. Okay, text field. Okay, text field, and I need a button. Okay, I need a button here, maybe next to it, and then I'm going to change the caption to compute area. Okay, there you go. And then now I'm going to use the assistant editor to connect so that I can connect all the controls to my source code. In this case, which it will be the view controller. There you go. And then let me hide the document outline window, and let me move this one back. All right. So I'm going to create connections between the text field with to my source code. So let me select the control, okay, and then right click the mouse button. If it's necessary, if you are using a different version of Xcode, you might want to press the control key and then right click the control and then set up a connection. So here, okay, I'm going to use the default settings, but then the name I'm going to call it length. Okay, click the connect button. There you go. And then the area label. Okay, so again I'm going to create a connection. Right click the mouse button. Okay, you can put it anywhere as long as within the class scope. Okay, it will be fine. So over here I'm going to call it area, and then now I'm going to right click the mouse button to create a connection for my compute area button. but this time I need to pick the action, okay, and then the object type or control type. I'm going to pick the UI button, and then the name I'm going to call it compute area. Okay, I'm going to click connect. There you go, and I'm going to give myself some space. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm going to declare a few variables. Var and then my length, okay, and then my area, okay, my length, okay, of double. You can use double, okay, or int, okay, really up to you, but then I will just use double. And then var, okay, my area, double as well. Okay, then I'm going to retrieve the value entered, okay, in the text view, okay, and then store the value into my double. Okay, so my length is equal to length controls, okay, text value. But you can see the value right now you retrieve, it will be in the string data type. Okay, so I have to unwrap it. Okay, unwrap it, and then I'm going to use a function, okay, double, to convert the data, okay, string data, okay, into numerical or numeric data double. If necessary, okay, you can use, okay, int. Okay, it's really up to you to convert the data into integer value. Okay, but then this is what I want, and you can see that the compiler wants you to insert the exclamation mark, okay, to unwrap the doubles value. Okay, so let's just do it. Okay, so I'm going to double click it, and then it will automatically insert, okay, an exclamation mark over there. Okay, so there you go. Good. Okay, so now no complaint from the compiler, and then now I'm going to compute the area. So my area will be equal to my length times my length again, and then I'm going to assign the excuse me, my area, okay, value to the label, okay, area, okay, sorry, area dot text, okay, will be given by my area, and you can see, okay, my area is a double value, so I'm going to use the function string to convert the uh, double value, okay, to string value. Okay, then that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so let me run the app on the iPhone 6 simulator. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let me try 2 first. 4, that's correct. How about 3.5? Okay, 12.25. Let me try value of 5. Okay, so compute area. If the length of a square is 5, then okay, the area will be 25, which is correct. All right, have fun, enjoy it.